A point-of-service (POS) plan in health insurance is a type of managed care plan that combines features of both health maintenance organizations (HMOs) and preferred provider organizations (PPOs). This hybrid approach offers policyholders greater flexibility in choosing healthcare providers while still benefiting from cost savings associated with network-based care. In a POS plan, policyholders typically designate a primary care physician (PCP), who serves as the main point of contact for all healthcare needs. The PCP coordinates and manages the individual's healthcare, including referrals to specialists within the plan's network. When a policyholder seeks medical care, they can choose to see any healthcare provider, whether in-network or out-of-network. However, the level of coverage and out-of-pocket costs vary based on the provider's network status. Within the POS plan, utilizing in-network providers often results in lower out-of-pocket expenses for the policyholder. This encourages individuals to stay within the designated network for most of their healthcare needs. In contrast, seeking care outside the network usually incurs higher deductibles, co-pays, and co-insurance. One distinctive feature of POS plans is the option for policyholders to seek out-of-network care without a referral from their PCP. This flexibility can be valuable for those who want more control over their healthcare choices and may need to consult specialists directly. While POS plans offer a balance between choice and cost containment, it's crucial for individuals to understand the plan's specific terms, coverage limitations, and associated costs. Policyholders should carefully review the provider networks, consider their healthcare needs, and weigh the trade-offs between flexibility and potential cost savings when selecting a POS plan. Overall, POS plans provide a middle ground for individuals seeking a comprehensive health insurance option that allows some flexibility in healthcare provider choices.
Looking for the best health provider with the coverage you need? Our network of providers allows you to create your own flexible plan and help you get the health coverage that you deserve. Speak with one of our health insurance specialists and get a free quote over the phone at 1-800-410-1206.